So now that we've created a few recipes, it's time for us to manage the ingredients in those recipes. You can do that by navigating to the ingredients page on the website. And here you'll find a list of all of the ingredients which have been automatically created in the process of creating your recipes. It's worth noting that this step is completely optional. It's not required in order to create shopping lists, but it does give you an opportunity to include more details about each ingredient, such as inventory and purchasing notes, what store you might find it in, which department you might find it in, and what the approximate cost might be for purchasing that ingredient. It's also an opportunity for you to change the name if you wanted to rename the ingredient or add a small note after the ingredient. You can change it here and it will flow through to all of the recipes which use that ingredient. Inventory and purchasing notes is an opportunity for you to type some notes about how it's purchased, what kind of brand to purchase, or in what quantities it's already in inventory. So you might use this to say, already have 1 bag in basement, or you can say purchase generic brand. In the meals column, you'll see which recipes it's found in. If it's found in multiples, they'll be separated by a comma, and you can see all of those there, as well as navigate to that recipe as needed. In the store column, you'll have the opportunity to indicate which store it's typically purchased at. The value in doing that is that the final shopping list and packing list will be sorted by store first, so that you can be strategic with how you go about buying the ingredients in the event that multiple ingredients come from different stores. Similarly, you can assign a department to a given ingredient so that when the shopping list is sorted by department, the user can go to find the ingredient as quickly as possible and purchase all of the dairy products, for example, at the same time from the same store. In the cost estimates part of this page, you'll be able to assign an approximate cost per ingredient for each ingredient. So if we were to take butter, for example, we could assign the purchase price and the purchase quantity. So we can say, well, we usually buy this in bricks of 8 tablespoons and they cost $2. And so now the cost estimate has been saved, and that will update in all of the recipes, all of the shopping lists, all of the meal plans to help you plan for what an appropriate cost might be to budget for that given ingredient. It's worth noting as well that as you add more and more ingredients, the list may become longer and longer. So if you wanted to view a shortened list of this, you can easily filter it by using this bar in the upper right corner, and say if we wanted to see just the chocolate chip cookies, you can shorten the list to only view those ingredients which are found in the chocolate chip cookies. Once you've finished the making notes as needed, such as purchase generic brand, you can click Save to save the changes, and that will be saved in all of the recipes. All of the meal plans will contain that note, and in the final output, you'll be able to view that. It's worth noting as well that if we went back to My Recipes, there is a quick link to view the ingredients in a recipe. So in addition to viewing them from here, at the bottom, you can jump straight to manage those ingredients from the bottom. So that's just a quick summary of all of the things that you can do with the ingredients part of WHOLESUM Food Calculator. If you have any questions, it's worth referencing the user guide, and you can always reach out to us using the Contact Us link in the upper left-hand corner. Thanks so much.